This group of impala were drinking water along the riverbank, clearly aware of the lurking danger. They drank water while being on high alert. Any small movement would make the whole herd ready to run away. However, many times they cannot escape an expert and cunning predator like a crocodile. After a while of patiently lurking under the water, the giant crocodile jumped up and took the opportunity to attack the nearest impala using its sharp jaws. While the impala had not yet regained its composure, the lion suddenly rushed forward and grabbed the poor impala and lions and crocodiles are two of the apex predators in Africa. Each species has strengths and weaknesses in its habitat. Let's look back at some of their best battles caught on camera. A crocodile decided to go ashore to compete for prey. However, it did not expect there to be a group of lions nearby. Lions and crocodiles often encounter each other on the African savanna, and they will try to attack or kill each other if given the chance. The lions decided to cooperate and attack this lone crocodile. The crocodile is not very afraid yet. It seems confident in its strength. The lions began to attack continuously in many directions. The crocodile also fought back but could not bite accurately. However, the crocodile's jaws are still extremely dangerous. Just one bite can seriously injure the lion. Therefore, lions are also very alert and find ways to avoid attacks very well. The crocodile is not too large, about the size of a lioness. It ran away but was held back by a group of lions. However, after a fierce fight, it escaped into the water. In general, on land, lions have many advantages. Encounters on different types of terrain will have different results. Now we come to scenes where the terrain advantage goes to the crocodile. Two lions are trying to cross this river. However, they did not expect that they had entered the territory of King Crocodile, the strongest creature in its habitat. Lion did not expect that a nearby crocodile had discovered them and was about to attack. It attacked the lion that came first. The lion also fought back fiercely, and the second lion also attacked the crocodile to rescue his teammates. When fighting underwater, especially in this deep water, crocodiles are very strong. The second lion decided to return to shore, while the other lion was trying to escape from the swamp. When fighting underwater, especially in this deep water, crocodiles are very strong.
This food, there is a jackal here and there is a but I don't know why the jackal is. Most cases you find jackal here too. So maybe the mother is just back there.
Do you think the female has cubs?
The female lion?
Yeah.
No, because the dog had lion cubs, you could have seen them there licking the meat in the meat.
Oh shit.
Now they can see that there.
Crocodiles don't fear the rulers of the...